Little Easter is in such a good mood right now. So I got him loaded up on my lap. Now notice I have the feet hanging over. I got him in good proper position. Yeah. Sometimes I just like to get them to lay down on my lap. So it's just an Easter. I was making this video to share with you some of those sounds he makes. Like that one. But I love those little soft ones he does. A little yeah, he's in a good mood. That's why he's got that fluffy head going. It's all fluffified, you know. So, yeah, I don't really have anywhere to put the camera. I'll just hold it with my other hand. Aw, soft, soft. Aw. Very soft. You're so soft, Easter. Yeah, he is. He's so soft. He's my big soft snuggle butt, huh? He's so soft and he's so snuggly. Well, this is not as frisky as he was earlier. Kinda got him to calm down a little bit, huh? Yeah, he was making lots of those happy sounds. Happy sounds. He's got fuzz in his face. Here, wipe that off. There you go. All better, huh? Soft, soft. Yeah, my soft little poopy woo. My soft little angel, huh? Yeah, he is. Aww. Aww. Too soft. You're too soft, Easter. Such a fine privilege, Easter. Yes, it is. Such a fine privilege. Yep, yeah, I say honk, he says honk. I say honk, he says honk. Honk, 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 little soft, soft. All right, now it's time for some big honks. Ready? Honk, 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 soft, soft. Honk, 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 soft, soft. Yeah, my bird is just a real excited kind of guy. Huh? All the excitement of being a goose. Yeah, look at these guys though. Now this guy has been tooting away about something. I'm wondering if he's excited because his old lady's got a nest. Well, I haven't been able to tell for sure, but she looks like she's got a nest. So the girl sitting there, she was hatched out here a couple years ago. She could have flew away, but she fell in love with an injured man. So she lives with us. And then there's another goose out there, kind of a lone ranger. He don't have a girlfriend. And then over there, those guys have found the lettuce bowl. I was thinking I'm going to take Easter back inside so we get some of it before they eat it all. And yeah, very excitable creatures. The China goose is really having a good old time. So, honky conk conk. Let's take Easter back over there. Come on, Big Soft. Big Soft. Big Soft. Alright, I gotta remember to take my feeding with me there. Big Soft. It's so cute watching him walk. Aww. You know, you could just watch a goose bathe, preen, and walk all day long because they're so funny. And look at that, he really waddles, huh? He's just got little legs. He's like a short, fat person with little legs. Alright, I'll try not to make too much fun of Easter. After all, I am supposed to be his friend. Yeah, it's really funny watching him walk. Well, these guys know it's our turn. Yeah. Put Easter back in. Come on, Big Soft. It's time for you to come in and have some lettuce. Now, Easter's not interested in the lettuce. He just wants me to pet him or something else. But yeah, I'm going to stop here and I'm going to pour some water and then I'm going to see what happens next. Okay, you guys have a good day.